This is the quickest, dirtiest gua sha tutorial. I'm not a doctor, I'm not making medical claims. This is my tool that I like to use. You can use anything. This is who I learned from, so I use her tool. And I like it. It's a tool designed by a gua sha person. I'm not sponsored by Wildling at all. You want... How can I do this? You want it like that. It's almost flat. And you also want... I have to put my hair up now. Getting real vulnerable with you. Now I look like a 1930s silent movie star. First, this is jojoba. You can use any oil, but you want your face to be sort of slippery, but you also want kind of a grip situation. So you don't want your face like extremely slippery. You just want it like kind of lubricated. And this is my plant mister that I use for skincare. Basically, this is all I use for skincare. Basically, I use other stuff. So, oil. Water. Look, it's me doing the thing I keep telling you to do. I'm not doing like a professional entourage. And you want to get it on the back of your neck. So, first, we always do the neck. You might, if you don't have like something, a shape like this on your tool, you could go up one side and then the other with what I'm about to show you. So watch this and then replay that and then you'll know what I'm talking about. Okay, so I always do the neck and you'll just like go up. And I like really get in there. So with my neck leaning into it. And then you do like a little wiggle at the top. And then you'll go up the side. And then very lightly up this side. So you'll go up the back of the neck 3 to 5 times. And then the side of the neck 3 to 5 times. And then very, very much more gently on the actual side of the neck. This is like the side back. If you have a tool like this, you can do this up the front. But this is only energetic. You're not even touching your skin, really. And then switch hands and do the other side of just your neck. And don't forget to wiggle. When you get to the top, wiggle those muscle connections, because that's going to help relieve tension in your face. Then I start with the face. Take a straight edge, and I do this 3 to 5 times. Then 3 to 5 times. All of them 3 to 5 times. Then you're gonna do this nasolabial line. And you can walk your fingers along. So you're kind of using the weight of the tool and you're pressing down a little bit, but really you're just kind of letting the momentum glide. So you're not like pulling it, you're not like doing a like deep massage like we're doing on our neck. It's just, it's gentle, it's very light, and you're sort of walking it, and it's slow. When I try to do gua sha every day, I start to do it fast, and then you don't need to do fast gua sha. I'm guilty of it. I feel like it doesn't work as well. So then I do don't forget to wiggle. This under eye part, we're told to like never touch it, but what gua sha is best at is efficiently clearing lymph from this area. You're just gonna do it lightly. You're not pulling, you're not like, everybody says never touch this area, but if you never touch this area and you never exercise and you're just putting things on top of it, nothing's gonna happen. This manually clears You're doing it very gently, slowly, deliberately. You'll end up getting a feel. But if you also want to look up Brita Plug on Instagram or Wildling, they have great tutorials and you could get more insights on pressure, etc. But you can also ask me questions in the comments. if you have questions, or if you want to just share what you do, or if you want to tell me I'm doing it wrong. After the eye, you do the brow, and you're not going to want to do this very hard either. You could like pull out eyebrows if you're doing this too hard. So this is just along the brow. Again, all of these 3 to 5 times each. So not the whole face 3 to 5 times, but each stroke 3 to 5 times. And then I like to go up. All of those 3 to 5 times. Up the center. You can do it, I have a comb edge, I like to use it, but you can do it with a smooth edge too, which feels really good. Like just, then this area, if you're worried all the time, like I am, the thing with erasing, you can kind of like erase things, lines, you need to pull it somewhat taut. And you need a timer or something, because it only is going to make a difference if you do it for like a whole minute. I mean, sometimes honestly, I will fudge it. I will do one side of my face and I'll do this for 30 seconds and then I'll do the other 30. And I don't know if that does anything, but you're definitely like cutting down on the tension in this area, no matter what. Okay, so then, sometimes I do this move, which is like the whole face. And then again, all of these 3 to 5 times. And then I will do this line. I'll do this area. It's like light and you pull it taut. Okay, then I do the lips, which is like, looks crazy. I'm not going to do it anymore, you just have to figure it out. But it helps if you have this comb edge. This is one that I wasn't maybe going to put in here. But you can do this like light lymphatic drainage. And then you go all the way to the bottom and you do a little wiggle. Because this is where all like the lymph nodes drain out. But it's so light, okay? Do not do this hard. Maybe you shouldn't do it at all. And then the last part is this long sweep, which is another lymphatic drainage thing. And you should definitely do it because you just want to clear away everything you just loosened up, whatever magic you want to lock in 3 to 5 times. I'm doing it too fast, really. I mean, you want to do it slow. Alright? All you need, oil and water, gua sha tool, or you could actually use a smooth stone. The thing about gua sha, aside from the blood flow that you're getting and the lymph drainage, when we were hunter-gatherers and we were grooming each other, getting your face massaged is deeply connected to a state of things being okay, to a state of safety, because you have to be in a state of safety if you're living in the wilderness, but you have a moment to experience someone massaging your face or you massaging your own face, and the alleviation of stress is, what does tantamount mean? That's not quite the word I wanted to use, is paramount in getting good skin. If you're not relaxed, your skin isn't going to look good. If you have questions, leave them in the comments. And subscribe to my newsletter, which is not like any other emails you're getting. Oh, and subscribe to the channel and like this video. You have a lot of things to do. Get out of here.